Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning February 27th to the 5th of March 2023 using this SPC February 2023 mystery paired with some matte bronze foil so that came in mystery. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. And I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the rest of the base to some music. Enjoy. Okay, let's start with a day by day. Please, if you can hear the wind outside, my apologies. Okay, so in the sidebar, I marked that Malik was still feeling unwell and not himself. So I use this crying baby from Women's Eat to note that. So on Monday, I first marked waking up early with an alarm clock icon from the foil bundle and a script from PlanWithAds. Malik was fussy still this morning, so I used the joy of planning sticker to mark that with a script from Tilly Journals. Then had to get ready for work, so I used this Mick Plan sticker to note that, and then I gave Malik some goodbye kisses because he was very grumpy and didn't want me to go. I used a Mick Plans sticker to mark giving him some goodbye kisses. Then had my morning cup of tea. I used the icon from the doodle sheet to note that, and then I noted that Monday was the day. This was the day he was home with his dad, which he is every Monday, so I noted that with the Mick Plan sticker. I then had to de-ice my car because it was so cold outside, so I used this car icon from the foil bundle to note that. Finally got to work, so I used a PMD sticker girl to note that and a script from the foil bundle. I then had leftover takeout, I guess. Was it takeout? Oh, it was party leftovers. That's what it was. For lunch, so I used this takeaway bag from the doodle sheet to note that. It was a really long day, so I used a stack of books from the doodle sheet and a long day script from Tilly Journals. And then I did the cooking club for after school club, so I used this words are hard. What is this shop called? Papershire sticker to note that. finally went home, so I used a house icon from the foil bundle, and then I cuddled Malik, so I used this PMD sticker, girl and sun, to note that. And then finally I watched some Love Island, and I marked that with a TV from the foil bundle. Moving on to Tuesday. So at the top of Tuesday, I used a sleep mask icon from the foil bundle to note that I overslept that morning. I had to quickly get ready, so I used another Mick Plans girl to note that. And I also had to pack Malik's school bag because he was going back to nursery. So I used this backpack sticker from Carly Plans. And then went to work, so I used the same PMD sticker girl to note that with the work script from the foil bundle. It was Malik's nursery day. His dad dropped him off, but I used this Once More with Love sticker to note that, because I still like to know his nursery schedule in my memory planner, even if I'm not the one who drops him. I then sorted out Tuesday as a homework day, so I sorted out the homework on Google Classroom. So I used the sticky pack Google Classroom's laptop, and then I had coding club for after school club, so I used this laptop from the doodle sheet. I then picked up Malik, so I used this Once More with Love pickup sticker and a With My Love script from the foil bundle. He was still a bit fussy and not himself, so I used another Joy of Planning sticker to note that he was fussy with a script from Tilly Journals. And then we did have some snuggles, so I used this Mick Plans sticker and a snuggle script from the Happy Sticker Designs, who I do PR for. So use ADIA215 to get 15% off of your order. And then finally, I watched Love Island, so I used a TV icon from the doodle sheet. Moving on to Wednesday, the 1st of March. I marked waking up early with an alarm clock from the foil bundle and the script from PlanWithAds. I then noted getting ready with the same Mick Plan sticker, and then I had my morning cup of tea. I used an icon from the foil bundle to note that, and I also had some toast, so I used this bread in a toaster icon from Planner Face, which doesn't match very well, so I don't know why I used this one. I then used the planner from the doodle sheet to note I binge watched some Plan With Me's as I was eating my breakfast. And this was another nursery day, so his dad dropped him off, while I was on the way to work. So I used the same sticker for that, and then I marked work the same way I had the rest of the week. This day we had a supply teacher in my class, and I noted that she was really nice and did a good job, so I used this pencil icon from the doodle sheet because I didn't know what else to use. I then had arts and crafts club, so I used this crafternoon icon from Paper Milk. I then picked up Malik, so I used the same Once More with Love sticker and a With Malik custom script from Plans. I then noted that he was really in a good mood this day, so I used this playing sticker from Paper Shredder to note that. We did have our usual cuddles, so I used the same stickers I had the day before, and then we both fell asleep together. So I used this Benevish Creation Mum and Baby Sleeping in Bed sticker to note that we both fell asleep, then woke up because of course I didn't eat to have a late night snack, which was tea and some bread. So the sticker was perfect, and it's also from Paper Shredder. Let's move on to Thursday. So on Thursday, I noted waking up early with a bed icon from the foil bundle and a script from PlanWithAds. I then used the same sticker to not getting ready for Mick Plans. It's very windy out there, goodness. I used this hot drink icon, I don't know where it's from, to note having my morning tea, and this bread sticker from Mixie Cat Stuff. Then noted packing my work bag with this bag icon from the doodle sheet. Into the extender, I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the foil bundle and a script from Kinsey's Creation, who is no longer open. I marked cuddling Malik with the same stickers I used the rest of the week, and then I also had to de-ice my car again this morning, so I used the car icon from the foil bundle to note that. It was World Book Day, so I used the book icon from the additional add-on sheet from the mystery. I then noticed that I made a crown for I didn't have a real costume, but I was being the Queen of Hearts, so I made a heart crown. So I used this heart icon from the foil bundle because I thought that worked. I then picked up Malik. What club did I have? I had cooking club this day, but it doesn't seem like I marked it. But I did have cooking club this day. And then I picked up Malik, so I used this. Oh no, maybe there wasn't any cooking club this day. Who knows? I'm not sure what happened because I didn't mark cooking club. So maybe there wasn't cooking club. I don't remember. I used the Once More with Love sticker to note picking up Malik, and the With Malik is a script from Words Are Hard. Randy Plans again, and then I noted that he was fussy with a Joy of Planning sticker and a script from Tilly Journals. I then had a Plan With Me binge with this laptop from the doodle sheet and a script from Kinsey's Creation, and then Malik went straight to sleep, so I used the sticker from Paper Shredder to mark that. On to Friday, it was my no work day, so I used the balloon from the doodle sheet to note having no work. Then marked that it was Malik's home with mum day with this PMD sticker girl, and then I noted that we slept in with a pillow icon from the foil bundle and a sleeping script also from the foil bundle. We had some snuggles in bed. I used the same stickers, not Snickers, that I used the rest of the week. And then we then took a bath together. I think it was together. Yeah, because it says with Malik. So I used this Benevia's Creation sticker to note that, and a bath script from the foil bundle, and a with Malik script from Randy Plans. I then had my morning cup of tea, so I used this PMD sticker of a tea. And then I edited some videos while Malik was sleeping, so I used this laptop icon from the foil bundle and an edit script from Adorably Amy Designs. I then did some voiceovers, so I used this Olive Studio sticker and a voiceover script from Carly Plans to note that. I then watched some Plan With Me, so I used the sticker sheet sticker from the doodle sheet and a YouTube bin script from the foil bundle to note that. And then Malik was playing as I was doing that, so I used this paper shy sticker to note that, and I used the play outside script from Happy Sticker Designs, and I just cut off the outside bit, which is why you can see a little bit of a tear. I then did all the dishes, so I used this sticker from Benevia's Creation to note that, because that's probably how I felt. I then did some laundry, so I used a washing machine from the doodle sheet and a script from the kit. I then did some cleaning. I did a lot of cleaning this day. I used a Simply a Mess sticker to note that and a script from the foil bundle again. And then I used this spray bottle from the foil bundle to note that Malik made himself sick. So I know that, but I had to clean it. I then had to change the sheets, of course, because he threw up on them. So I used the bed sticker from Carly Plans to note that, and then I was in a bit of mood because it was a rough night. So I used this crying sticker from Bubba Bear Studios and a script from Adorably Amy Designs to note that. On to Saturday. So at the top of Saturday, I noted sleeping in with the sticker from the Honey Bee shop. And then noted having some cuddles and kisses with Malik with this Make Plan sticker and script. I then had a Plan With Me binge, so I used a play button from the foil bundle and a script from Kinsey's Creation. Malik did some playtime, so I used another paper shy sticker to note that and a script from Happy Sticker Designs. I then filmed a Plan With Me, so I used a camera icon from the foil bundle and a film Plan With Me script from Kinsey's Creation to note that. I then had my morning tea, so I used this Coffee Monsters Co sticker to note that. And then I made some eggs, so I used this Mixie Cat stuff sticker of breakfast. While all of this was happening, Malik was with his dad, so I noted that with a Make Plan sticker and a script from Tilly Generals. I then washed my hair, so I used a Valiant Tomorrow Girl to note that and a wash hair script from Temp Loves Crafts, and then I retied my hair. So I used this icon from PMD Stickers, who kindly added this to shop because I asked, and then noted that I finally did a retie. I then dried the laundry that I had done the previous day, so I used this folded laundry icon from the doodle sheet. And then I did some more laundry, so I used a washing machine icon from the foil bundle and a laundry script from the kits. I think it said fold laundry and I just cut off the fold. I then did some planning, so I used a sticker sheet icon from the foil bundle and a script from the foil bundle, and then I made some scripts. So I used a iPad icon from Planner Hannah to note that. Finally, moving on to Sunday, I noted waking up early with a sleep mask icon from the foil bundle and a script from Planner Hannah. I then marked a Plan With Me binge with a planner from I think it's from Paper Sheet Plans and a script from Kinsey's Creation. Then did some planning in my 52 weeks planner, so I used this Planner Girl sticker from PlanWithAds. I then cuddled with Malik, so I used this Make Plan sticker and a script also from Make Plans. We then spoke to my brother, so I noted that Malik spoke to his uncle with a bone icon from the foil bundle when I with my uncle script from Planner Hannah. And then I watched some Grey's Anatomy, so I used a Netflix TV or laptop icon from the doodle sheet and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans to note that, even though I didn't watch on Netflix, but I just like to use it when I can. Then noted watching Station 19, of course, because that's what you do, with a ScribblePrintsCo sticker and of Squidge watching TV. And then I watched Love Island, so I used a TV icon from the foil bundle to note watching that. I think I was catching up because I hadn't been watching it the rest of the week. I then noted that my husband cleaned, so I used this Olive Studio sticker to note that. I then started watching Lost, so I used this popcorn sticker from Paper Candy Art possibly to know watching Lost, and I then started watching The Lion Games also. I just sometimes I'm in the mood for a new show. So I use this GP Studio Girl to note that, and then finally noticed I was up late watching The Lion Games. So I use the star icon from the foil bundle and an up late script from SPC. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of the spread, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.